Okay, it's been like 2 years since I did the refinishing video on this pan here, so I thought I'd show you what it looks like today. Um, Basically, haven't really done anything to it other than season it and use it. And this is what it looks like now after being seasoned and worked on. And you can see, because it's so smooth, that some of the seasoning kind of makes like these dots. But it feels good, it's smooth, it works fine. You can't crack an egg in it and expect it to just be like a glass non-stick surface. That doesn't work. We usually cook with beef tallow or bacon grease. So it's not a non-stick surface, but it works really nice. And then that's the small one that I did that one refinishing video on, with the deer on it. This is the 15-inch one that I think I did a video on around the same period of time. This one I went really deep on. It's another Lodge brand. And this one we really enjoy for just using it as cast iron, but you can see that it doesn't have the Lodge finish on it anymore. And then this one's a little dirty. It's got some schmutz on it from frying something in it. But that one's really nice for like a ham steak and then making red-eye gravy with the coffee and the juice after. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what they look like after a couple years. Since I ground them down and made them all nice and beautiful. That's what you can expect, I guess. So maybe you guys can do better with your seasoning. We use beef tallow to season them. And you guys may be better at seasoning than us, but anyway, that's what they look like. We like them, we use them.